Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vandevi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we have a very interesting favorite of all. We're doing a Vrat special, which is Sabudana Khichidi. So to make our khichdi, I have sabudana which has been soaked for 4 hours in just the same amount of water. So if your sabudana reaches a certain level in your bowl, you'll just put just enough water to soak it for 4 hours. Don't over soak it, don't put extra water, otherwise your sabudana tends to get sticky on cooking. So first step, my soaked sabudana goes into a bowl. This I'm mixing in with crushed roasted peanuts. So I've just roasted my peanuts on a tawa and I've crushed them. I'm just going to give this a slight mix. Doing this step ensures that your sabudana doesn't get sticky when it's cooking. Next, I'm going to heat some oil in my pan. So I've got some oil going into my pan. Once my oil is heated, I'm going to add in some jeera. In goes in my jeera, and I will allow this to crackle. Once my jeera has started crackling, I'm going to add in my curry leaves, some green chilies which have been finely chopped, next goes in my boiled and peeled potatoes which I've just diced. Giving this a quick stir. To this, I'm going to add my sabudana and peanut mix. Some sugar. Sendha salt or Sendha Namak. This is used for fasting. Lime juice. I'm going to cook this for a couple of minutes on a medium heat. Next, we add in our coriander leaves. Our sabudana khichdi is ready to be served.